The uses of Gumroad. There is a video that shows you how to use the reduce flickering function and what is it about and why we have added this function into the add-on. It's really easy. This is scene that I've exaggerated with the effects because I want to show you this parameter. There is people running, there are cars going up and down into the street, and we will take a look at this corner. Now the reduce flickering is set to 0. You will see that it is set at 1 when you enter into the add-on for the first time. This is why now I move the frames frame by frame by hand. Maybe that this man is making. Okay, take a look at this. This is what I call the flickers, because the light when goes to the end of the screen tend to make a flash, and so this is the light that is flashing, and this create a flickering effects when you see at the real FPS this footage. If you activate reduce flickering, you will see that these big lights are reduced in this way, so that's the effects created by lights at the end of the screen are less visible. Maybe this light here is showing better what I wanted to say. This is the flicker. You can see this flicker that is there, and this is with no flicker. Okay, this is better. Flicker, that is something light blue, and no flicker is reducing these events here at the border of the camera. And this is all. You can use it only in animation, because maybe that in animation this effect you like it and you want to reduce it. Thank you. Ciao.